Hello. Alrighty, I'm at Dubai Mall. Headed to the Jordan store because I want to pick up the white cement, black cement Jordan 1 lows. I've been in love with the pair. I like the high top as well, but the low top is where my heart is at. I booked Kareem Allen. Man, not having a car in Dubai is such a curse. I've been running around in this humidity. Look at how sunny it is.
Yes. Yeah, on the side.
No sugar. And then 2 love 66. Shisha, 1 lemon with.
Huh? What is that?
I want to be part of your weekend vlog.
Only 2, no? You want?
I'll have yeah. Sure.
Only 3.
Well, we went from 1 to 3.
Like, have you ever done intermediate fasting?
I've done, yeah.
He has a menu for watch.
Made that 4 times in the last month. So good.
Oh yeah, garlic sauce is like a blessing for me. Pasta? Oh, no fries also. Oh, we got rice instead of fries. Oh, that way. Yeah. If we don't get an appointment.
Enjoy the massage. Take it.
1 hour later.
Finished my deep tissue Thai massage. Body so sore. Thank you. Nice posture. Huh? Today's roll is not. It's not slapping. Wanna try a bite?
The next.
What it do, baby? Welcome back to the vlog, you guys, or should I say sneaker unboxing. As you saw, I went back to the Jordan store at the Dubai Mall to pick up, oh wait, I'm blocking out the light, to pick up a pair of Air Jordan 1 lows. This bag is massive. It's like I picked up 2 pairs. If you guys have been following me on YouTube, you know that the only other pair of Air Jordan 1 lows that I own are the OG neutral grey. And it's very unlikely to pick up something that's not an OG, but this pair just did it for me. Along with the pair, of course, I picked up the much needed Jason Mark foam cleaner, and then I also got the Jason Mark repel spray. I've been looking for this for a long time now, and that's only because I'm super clumsy. You know, I could be having a coffee or eating something and dropping it all over my sneakers. But anyway, let's get into the sneaker that we're talking about, and that is the Air Jordan 1 Low Cement Grey. Now when I moved to Dubai, the Air Jordan 1 High Cement Grey had just dropped, but honestly I like the pair, don't get me wrong, I really like the pair, but I somehow wasn't feeling it. And then I saw images of the low, and man, I gotta tell you, really love it, really love it. In comparison with both the pairs, the box has been switched up a little bit. You have now the Nike branding done in white. I think the high had the branding done in black swoosh and black text. I decided to go down half a size, so like you can see, I usually wear a US 9. I got a US 8.5. I tried the pair on at the store, and I thought a 7.5 fit me just fine. And I've been looking at reviews and reading up online, and the neutral grey lows I haven't worn. I have it, it's back home, and I thought I'll get a half size down. Worst case scenario, I'm walking so much, they'll open up, right? What does the color code say on the box? Black, muslin, tech grey and white. Without much further ado, let's lift the box open. The lid, not the box. Ooh, you got that nice butter paper, like you can tell. It's got that same elephant cement kind of a textured print on it. And then for the pair itself, What's interesting is that I feel like they changed up the box, but I could be wrong. So you see the Nike there, the swoosh, it's all glossy, whereas the cement print is regular matte. And even the white stripe that runs through here, that too is glossy. But yeah, like I was saying, you know, some bits of this box feel like they've changed things over, but I could be wrong. It just feels a little more solid or thicker. I don't know, it could just be because of the different materials they use in the box. Anywho, let's get into the review. Bam! The most recognized traction of all time, this Jordan 1 outsole. Man, gotta love it. And the pair itself, boom! I gotta stop it with the sound effects. Alright, the pair itself has been done. Oh man, there's some glue stains kind of thing going on right here, the situation. But anyway, actually let me compare the cement print across both the pairs. I mean, it's not supposed to be uniform or whatever, but the closer it is, the better, right? This pair has a looser print and this one has it a little tighter. But man, I can't be really bothered. Let's get into the sneaker. Now the toe box, this black area, is all done in nubuck or durabuck. Personally, I've not had a great experience because my Jordan 4s also came with the nubuck material, right? And those began to distress quite easily the more I drove. And of course I was driving a manual, so the toes would flex a lot more than when you're driving an automatic. But yeah, not the best experience with nubuck, durabuck, whatever Jordan brand calls it. The mid panel as well, all these black panels are all done with that nubuck. It's kind of smooth, it feels pretty alright. And then of course you have the cement print, and this is, wait a minute, is it elephant print or cement print? It's black cement, but don't they call it an elephant print, or is that all of this is like you can see, classic overthinking. If you have a pair of Jordan 3s, the elephant or the cement print is done in a very similar material that carries all the way there. You have your Nike Air tab on the tongue, and like I've said before, I don't like Air Jordan 1 lows unless they come as close to the OG as they can. This one, although it says it's an OG, is not really an OG because the OG came with a much bigger swoosh. And another thing that I'm not really a fan of is on the back, they've done the Wings logo in embroidery, and I think it looks too mishy-mashy. It's not very sharp. I would have preferred if they were just debossed it like they do with every other Air Jordan 1 low. That's how it is on my neutral grey as well. The sock liner is nice and smooth, and then of course you have your insole. I would have preferred if they kept the insole like they did on the high 85s. This seems like a very thin and flimsy insole. At some point of time I might have to replace it. And then you have a Nike Air branding done right there, and it's in sail, not white. That's an interesting touch because the midsole on this pair is done in sail as well. And it's also worthwhile if I point out that the Nike Air tag here is done in sail. Well, that's about it. I'm gonna lace these bad boys up. They came pre-laced in these black laces, but there is this spare set of laces that came in the box, and it's these gray laces. This, you know what it's giving me? It's giving me a Shadow 2.0 Jordan 1 high, but with a cement print, with a white swoosh as against the gray swoosh. Alright guys, I'm now gonna slip this pair on feet to show you what they look like, but before that, heading for dinner, meeting Bijoy. He's come downstairs, and recycling plastics. Lens is fogged up, man. What the heck? Recycling. Which one? Which biryani do you want?
Dindigul?
Dindigul we can have. What if it is spicy though? So, cool. Cheers, dude. This is like a proper massive one, though, right? Like, I'd imagine we thought that Ambur biryani was a lot. When we were kids, it used to be a delicacy eating at Biryani Paradise. I hate this weather, fogging up the lens every damn time. See ya?
See you day after.
See you day after, yeah. Thanks for staying all the way to the end, you guys. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.